Hello, hello, welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today I like to talk about what can you do when you experience the relationship you have with your child as not good, sometimes even as bad. Sometimes you are constantly in a fight with a child, and the relationship you have with your child needs some improvement. If that's what you want, then you're looking to the right episode because, of course, there are many things you can try, and you as a parent know what will help you and what will not help you. But I will give you some tips that you can try and see if this works. And yes, this is a tip that you might try for a long period in just one day or 1 week because some patterns are really tough to break through. But I know that if you are really willing and you really want to change and have a better relationship with your child, you have everything inside of you to do that and to have a better relationship with your child. First of all, focus. Where do you focus when you see your child? Do you see everything that is bad, that he is doing not right? Or do you sometimes notice and give a right feedback, a really meant feedback to your child that what he or she is doing is something that you like or something you appreciate? Um, what do you focus on? If you are constantly in a fight, probably you are focused on all the things that your child is not doing correct. And you want improvement in some areas. Now, I'm not suggesting that you should not have any boundaries there. That's a totally other subject. All I do is, where do you focus on? For example, your child is playing uh, with another brother or sister, and they are having a great time together. They are laughing and they are enjoying each other's company. And all of a sudden, your child falls on his knees, and um, yeah, it his shirt got broken and or dirty, and you see that you have work and you have to wash his shirt, or he fell and it's broken, you have to throw away his jeans, and you see everything that is bad. Now you broke this again, instead of, oh, I see that you have been playing with your child, with your a brother or sister very well. That's very nice. Seeing it in the moment and giving this feedback, and then when something goes bad, goes wrong, you can act differently, but and focus on the good things that a child was doing, and not big and make it not too big that there is something going wrong. So if there is a shirt dirty, take it off, clean it, and focus on the thing that your child was doing right. He was having a good time with a brother or a sister or a friend or another relative or whatever. So focus on the things that are going right and give feedback to a child. This also brings me to another topic. How do you talk about your child? When you talk with friends or relatives or your boss or whatever, neighbors, and your child is there and he can hear everything, do you mention everything that went wrong? Do you mention, yeah, my child was playing and again his shirt got dirty, or again he broke his jeans and I have to throw it away. Oh, it's just such a, and then a bad word. Say, are you talking about him or her like that to other persons and your child can hear that? Or are you mentioning all the good things that your child is doing, and you mention it to other people and your child can see and hear and feel that this is a really meant topic? Are you talking about the good things that your child was doing? Oh, he was playing so nice with his brother or sister, so I could prepare my meal. Um, and we had a good dinner. It was so nice. Or yes, he or she just put the plates and knives and forks, everything on the table by him or herself. It was so nice. Do you mention all the good things? Or he or she is helping me out so good with good stuff? Are you focusing and mentioning and talking about good stuff? Or are you talking about all the bad stuff and always in the bad area? Then that has a big influence on the relationship you have with your child. So that's actually your homework. Look at the way how you talk about your child and with and to your child, and see if there is an improvement, if you can focus more on the good things that a child is also doing. Because whatever you are looking for, you will always find. If you focus on the good things of something, you will find always something good. If you focus on something that's bad about a person or a situation, you will always find something that is not good or not good enough or needs improvement. Whatever you are looking for, you will always find it. Because life is about 50-50. And since I'm not perfect, I assume that you're not perfect, and your child is not perfect, and your environment is not perfect. There's always room for improvement, and there's always good things going on. So where do you focus on? On the good stuff, or on the things that need improvement or can go better? So where do you focus on, and how do you talk to, with, and about your child in the situation? So look at it, focus on the good things, focus more on the good things, give a well-meant compliment to your child when it is doing something good, and see your child grow and see what it does to the relationship you have with your child. Okay, of course there's way more things that you can focus on, or other things that can also help to improve the relationship you have with your child. I will mention another topic in the next episode, but for now I think there's enough to work on for today and the coming weeks. I hope this is not for just one day. I hope this is something that you will work on the coming weeks. Try it for 2-3 months and see then the results, because this is something that might need a little more attention and a little more time than just one day. So try it and see the difference. And if you liked it, please thumbs up. And if you want to know more about the emotions, sad or angry, or something, the big emotions, then just look at the description below and see if there is you can see if there is some information workshop starting soon. And if you want to know more, just please send an email or put yourself on the waiting list, and then I will inform you as soon as a new one starts. Okay, that's it for today. Hope to see you in the next episode, and I hope you have a wonderful day. That's it for today. Bye bye.